Hi, I'm Josh. This is my channel, Newtons Per Second. Welcome everybody. In this video, I wrap up the Fiberglass Sky Digger build. I had a test flight a couple days ago, and I did that with a Cesaroni I345 White Thunder. That motor burns up in 1.1 seconds, and it was enough to lob the 13-pound Sky Digger rocket to a recorded 561 feet. That was high enough to arm the altimeters. This test was more of covering a bunch of different areas. This was my first dual deployment. I want to make sure everything was working properly. 2, I adjusted the elliptical parachute that I sewed for it. I made it from a elliptical to a more of a toroidal shape where you pull in the spill hole, and that creates a better coefficient drag, and you don't need as big of a parachute. So where the head end deployment, you don't have a lot of room in there. This worked out really well. And the third thing is stability. RockSim showed that this was a stable design, but I really need to see it fly. In my mind, I want to fly this on a J435 White Lightning Aerotech motor. But before I do some big stuff like that, I have to make sure this is absolutely flying stable. So in the test, the rocket flew beautifully, very stable. Didn't have a lot of spin. It just kind of basically, went straight. The bolt charges went off on the altimeter. I got the altimeter reading, and the parachute performed beautifully. So this was a great test. And I'll cut to the video. I have 3 different camera angles. I have one that's slow motion near the pad, slow motion far away from the pad, and then a real-time video. So here are the videos, and thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it.
All right, we're rolling in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hope your main came out. Uh-oh.
Oh, it didn't make It didn't make 500 feet. That's why.
But you know what?
The main set at 500 feet.
Oh, yeah, you're in good shape though. It's gonna hit me.
That's funny. Well, we know all the charges went off, right?
Yeah. It's literally gonna hit me. It's coming close. Like literally, it's gonna swing around and swing right past.
I can't tell. I'm in the camera. Wow. Holy cow, look at the smoke.